Next thing you know, I got an alert on my phone saying tornado warning.
This dash cam captures what 26-year-old Trevoris Presley was up against as he drove his truck into land Tuesday. Ferocious winds, debris, power lines sparking as they touched.
Hail started hitting my window, and my truck lifted up a little bit, like 3 times, and sat back down.
And
then when I stopped, it just picked it up and put me on my side. And my knee got stuck in the driving side, and hit my head on the door.
An FHP trooper rolled up on the truck moments after it was tossed on its side by the gusts of wind.
I got a truck on its side, a box truck on its side.
I'm like, oh man, this rain is getting real bad. I need to pull over. And next thing you know, it just picked my truck up, and I was freaking out. I'm not gonna lie to you. And it scared me.
So who wouldn't be scared in that situation? You'll recall the National Weather Service says that tornado went through DeLand with winds packing over 100 miles an hour.
I feel very lucky. I feel like, Jesus was on my side, because it could have ended badly, no lie. I could have been seriously injured, but I came out with a miracle, a little scrape and bruises now and then, and I have nightmares to this day, so I still couldn't sleep and stuff, because it scared me real bad.
Back at work in Ocala, a smile on his face, knowing how bad it could have been. Dave McDaniel, WESH 2 News.